Good morning, YouTubers. This is Mark Aquatics. So I'm just giving you a little update from my blue convict parrot cichlid. Remember Max and Ruby? Now they lay an egg again. Now, you know already some of the blue convict is getting bigger. And same thing here on the other side. There's nothing new here. I still want to get rid of this, but I can't because my aquarium looks really ugly because of this. But I was planning when the heater comes here, I will start to move them to when my 125 when I cycle that aquarium. Once the heater comes here, I'm just going to move them to the 125, including the male called Max. He's gonna go to 125 except for Ruby here. Ruby will stay here for protecting the babies. And the 10-gallon aquarium I have, so my $10 aquarium, they're gonna move to the 55-gallon. So, and an update, the gravel is here finally. There's more outside, but I have only 8 here. I don't want to put everything in here, so I'm gonna put it on my 125-gallon. It's right here. Okay, so my FS6 is ready, and I'm waiting for the heater here so that I can start the process of the recycling the water. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you like the video, please comment below or push the like button, and see you next time.